Welcome back, everyone. This is week 4 of Manifest Your Epic Life with Karen Carruthers, our essential oils guru and expert in all things health related to oils. I don't know. And I'm Dr. Asa Goodrich. So we have a 5-week series. This is week 4, and today we're going to talk about 2 of our other favorite oils, of our top 10 oils. So welcome back, Karen. How are you doing today?
Thank you. I'm doing great. How are you?
I can't complain. So let's talk a little bit first about doTERRA in case somebody's missed some of the other weeks prior to. And if you have, I encourage you to go back and revisit those because we really talk about the top 10 oils. We've already discussed 6. We have 4 left, so we're going to discuss 2 today. But you can see how you can implement them into your daily lives and your routine so that you can actually really live a natural green lifestyle. I mean, all of these oils are pure, certified, therapeutic grade, organic. So tell us a little bit more about why doTERRA.
Well, as you know, you've experienced different essential oils from different companies, and until you really experience one that is 100% pure, authentic essential oil, you don't realize the difference as far as just the level of health, the response and reaction that your body will receive from it. doTERRA is really right now kind of on the forefront, the cutting edge. They are the #1 essential oil company globally. They're being recognized now in hospitals, doctors. They're finally really getting the research and the science behind it so the general public at large can really access now and see how these oils are really working on an emotional level, on a health level, on every single level that we need. It's really the original medicine. So somewhere along the way, we messed it up, and now we're kind of getting back to it. And I'm grateful for this vehicle because it's so wonderful. They have so much information at our fingertips now. So you can research, you can look, you listen to us, great, but research on your own as well. Look things up, find them, go to pubmed.org, go see the research that they're doing with these oils, with frankincense, with only doTERRA, not with an oil from Bed Bath & Beyond, not with an oil from the dollar store, with the quality of doTERRA. And that is, to me, what has really got me hook, line, and sinker. And then, of course, all the education that's there that's available for people. So we're just trying to make it easy and more accessible so it can be something that you use every single day. Just like drinking water, you use essential oil every single day to keep your health.
Yeah, absolutely. I love the fact that there's no fillers. It's all natural. I love that hospitals like Johns Hopkins are diffusing that in their environment. So the employees are seeing a difference. The patients are seeing a difference. So I think it's just phenomenal. So it's definitely dig a little bit deeper, the quality of doTERRA, and they're actually tested all the time because when you say you're the best, you have to stand true to those standards, and they get tested all the time, and they have stood the test of time. So just because you find something a couple dollars cheaper doesn't mean it's necessarily better. You do get what you pay for. So
Agreed.
Cool. So tell me, I can't wait to talk about the oil that I'm going to discuss today because I love it and I use it all the time. But let's start with you. What oils are you talking about today?
Today we're going to talk about one of the blends. It's called Digest Zen. This one's a really easy one for new oil users just because of the name. So clearly when you see Digest Zen, you're going to think it has to do with your digestive system, and it does. What I love about doTERRA is they create a blend of oils. So they'll find oils that are specifically related to your digestive system, like peppermint, ginger root. People know those things can really help with an upset stomach. They combine all the top oils already for you, so you don't have to make it yourself. This oil, it can really do anything related to your digestive system. If you're constipated, if you have diarrhea, if you're bloated, if you're gassy, if you have acid reflux, and if you're nauseous, if you're car sick, anything related to digestive system, this is the go-to oil. You can ingest it. You can rub it on your stomach. I've seen this used on infants. I wish I had this oil back 19 years ago when my daughter was colicky, when they told me to put Mylicon drops in her formula as opposed to rubbing something healthy and natural with a roller bottle diluted on their bellies to help with the gas, to help with the crying, to help with all of that. This is being used for people that are with really serious diagnosis of Crohn's disease, colitis, IBS, anything going on, GERD, that you're needing to take heavy medications. There are a lot of people now that are seeing amazing results by using the natural oil from Digest Zen. I love also how easy doTERRA makes it. I'm going to show you something. I'm super lazy, so I don't love this flavor of this oil myself, although I will say, on times when I'm like, whoa, things are going crazy, I have gone for my Digestin and just put 2 drops in my mouth straight away because the bloat is happening and the bloat is real. And it takes it down instantly. But they make it nice. You can get these little veggie caps. So you can put a few drops in this little empty veggie cap, swallow it down. You don't have to taste the anise and the other flavors in here that I don't particularly care for. Even a step further, they make it in a supplement form already. So you can purchase this supplement, take it in. You don't even have to go and make your own cap if you're going to be extra lazy like I am. They then even have another product, a little digest tab. So it's similar to like a Tums or something, an antacid. So they know and find those oils that work, and then they help us even further by putting them in products that are even easier. Since we're such a generation who wants things now at our fingertips, I'm myself included. They make it so easy. It's a kind of a no-brainer. And when you get results, you keep going back. Yeah. So that's a great oil.
I've used it. I remember one time we went to a lunch and somehow you got something that was not good on your plate. And you're like, you pulled that sucker right out and you're like taking drops and putting stuff together. And I was like, yeah. And then you were good. Like, yes. We all thought you were going to get like super sick because we just like sniffed your food and we're like, ugh, what are you eating?
Right.
You remember that?
Clearly wrong.
Yeah,
yes.
This was a few months ago. So, and I've used Digestin as well when I have an upset stomach. I actually do like the taste. I like that anise, smell and taste. It smells really good to me. I like it. So sometimes I put a little bit in my water, or I just take a couple of drops, or, just even rub it on my belly sometimes, when I'm not feeling too good. But we've had patients in the office that use it for constipation, and it's like instant, like 5 minutes later, they're like running to the bathroom. So It really is an effective oil.
Right. Go ahead. Even to smell it. If you're car sick, if you're feeling nauseous, that time of the month and you're getting very nauseous, smelling the Digestin can help with nausea as well. So powerful for so many things.
Yeah, definitely. So this you could diffuse, you could ingest, you can rub on. So this is an oil that you can use all every which way, if you will.
Indeed.
So, yeah. So I'm going to talk about I love the way this smells. This is On Guard. Okay. I love On Guard. We can use On Guard for everything. So On Guard is an oil. It's called the Protective Blend. And what that means, it's going to protect you against all the little bugs and, fungus and mold and viruses and everything that lingers on in our environment, in our system. And it's going to really protect you against that. Now, this is also something that I use to clean my home. Like I no longer use like Windex or like different sprays with lots of chemicals. Now we use On Guard all over the home. It smells delicious. We diffuse just about every single day. Oftentimes in the office now, like people are coming in with viruses and stuff like that. So we'll diffuse in the office to kill off anything that is going around, and we use it at home as well. Just because my husband, as you know, your husband's in the public, so is mine. So they pick up a lot of stuff. Bring that back home, we want to kill that off. Kids in high school, they bring home a lot of like bugs and stuff. We want to kill that off. So On Guard is something that we diffuse all the time, and this is actually something that you can ingest as well. So if you're feeling a little sick, you can actually take a couple of drops, although it doesn't taste that great. It just smells delicious, right? But they also make them in those little capsules. And I have some, I just didn't bring them, so I can't show you, but it's a little bottle. It's full of capsules. And then that's just, if you're really feeling sick, you want to attack it with those capsules. And then they have these little beadlets that just to take on a regular basis is so helpful to avoid getting, sick and the flu and the bug and the sniffles and everything else. Now, I love their hand wash, so we use this all the time. Smells amazing, kills off all the bacteria. We use their toothpaste at home too. Like we use like all the products. Like I love On Guard. It's just one of those oils that is just a general overall health and wellness oil for me. So
agreed.
Yeah.
And they're even using On Guard to help kill MRSA in hospital rooms as well. They're using it because they've seen that the properties will literally kill fungus, bacteria, mold, virus. So it's powerful.
Yeah.
Powerful.
And I'm thinking in the office, because we have a solution, we have to disinfect our tables and stuff like that regularly. And instead of using what we're using, we're going to switch over to On Guard. Maybe a little Melaleuca in there as well, which we discussed last time. And then that has been known to effectively kill lots of things. So the more green and the more natural, the better it's going to be for our planet and for future generations. So you want to get on the train. right?
Yeah, on the doTERRA train. I'm going to add just one thing really quickly. I just thought about it. A lot of times people think about these oils when they look and they see, oh my goodness, this one bottle of oil is $27. Here's the situation. Just like you're talking about cleaning the office, you just need to put a few drops of that oil in a bottle with white vinegar or water or whatever you want to do to make that clean your house. Just a few drops, not this whole bottle. So do you know the savings if you look at that price per drop as opposed to all the cleaning items that you purchase? With DigestZen, people who have a cabinet full of Pepto-Bismol and Tums and all the purple pill and all of those things, you know how pricey that adds up to? One bottle of DigestZen, which doesn't have a whole long list of side effects and bad things that can happen by taking it. I mean, again, when you learn it, it's like, how come everyone isn't doing this and using these oils? It's amazing.
Because they're really not educated. So this is why we're doing this. This is why we're doing this. You know, I'm sure you have other things you want to do on a Friday morning than sit here with me. But it's our mission to educate and empower our community, our people, you know, the world really on how do you get healthier in a natural way? How do you avoid, you know, ruining our planet and ozone layers and everything else, and ingesting some stuff or inhaling stuff that's going to be toxic to your system that are no neurotoxins. So, I mean, and like you mentioned, these oils really don't expire either. So when you're talking about Tums and this and that, those things expire and you don't use them that often. So an oil of DigestZen can last you forever, right? So, yeah, they're so potent that one drop of On Guard, a couple of drops of On Guard in a little bottle of, you know, a bottle, maybe this size, that's all you need. You don't really need that much more. So it's really more cost effective when you think about it in the long run. So
exactly.
So that was a good point. So thank you. All right. So anything else you want to add on to this call?
I would like to mention it if this goes out by February. Ooh, what day are we going? February 26th? Oops, now I just forgot the date.
Yes,
February 26th. There'll be a little make and take class where I'm going to go ahead and offer little roller bottles of the top 10 oils that we've been talking about, but we will be able to offer little blends. So we'll provide blends for headaches, there's one called the Balm, like the flu balm, so you can make these blends yourself with us and take them home for $5 a bottle. It's nice and easy if you don't feel confident yet to blend or make your own. This is a great little introductory way to come by. It'll be 11:30 at your office, the 26th.
The 26th or 16th?
Did I say that? I'm looking at the calendar. Ooh, I just looked over at January.
Yeah. So Saturday.
Thank you.
Saturday the 16th.
I'm in my daughter's bedroom at my new office, and I'm looking at her calendar.
It's okay. So it's Saturday, February 16th at 11:30 a.m. at my office. You can always give us a call at 305-271-7447 for more info. Better?
Yeah, that's a better idea. Do that. Good. Thank you for your brain.
and you know, it's ongoing classes. So if you happen to miss the last one, which is a great class, good turnout, people loved it, walked away with a ton of make their own blends that they wanted. So if you're interested in learning more, we had a great turnout last time. Everybody's excited. Some people are coming back for different blends. So join us, but we are going to be having some of these make and takes and some other classes. So always reach out to us, 305-271-7447 for either a class or to schedule a one-to-one or just to learn more. And you can always visit www.mydoterra.com/Dr. Goodrich. And you can also learn some information there. If you follow me on social media, make sure you reach out to me because I can send you links specific to your question. So if there's a particular product that interests you and you want to learn a little bit more, I can send you a specific link so that you have some educational resources for yourself and for your family. So I'd be happy to do that. So if you follow me on Instagram, it's South Florida Chiropractic. Same thing on Facebook. Or if you're on my other end, Manifestor Epic Life, you can follow me there and DM me, and I'll be happy to send you some information. Or reach out to Karen. She's a great resource, probably better than me. So.
Beautiful. Or if they're in the office, they can pick up one of these little brochures, and it's going to tell them all about what we've talked about as well. All the top 10 oils are right there, so it's a nice, quick refresher, and it'll talk about how you can get them and get a starter kit, which is the best place to start.
Awesome. Cool.
Plenty of information.
Cool. So we have 2 more oils to go. Join us next week so that you can learn about the last 2 favorite oils, top 10 oils. So until next time, you have a great day. Bye.
Bye.